You won't believe how easy and fun it is to make your own luxurious, all-natural beauty essential right at home. Say goodbye to mysterious ingredients and hello to DIY creation that feels just like a spa treatment. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and today we're making lavender and tea tree conditioner bars. These little bars are a total game changer for your hair care routine. They're packed with nourishing ingredients to hydrate, smooth, and leave your hair soft, shiny, and free of any residue. Did you know that most store-bought conditioners are loaded with sulfate, silicones, and synthetic fragrances? These ingredients can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. With this DIY conditioner bar, you're in control. Only wholesome natural ingredients that are safe for both you and the environment. Let's turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make these lavender and tea tree conditioner bars together. From your kit, you will need 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of conditioning emulsifier. This helps soften and detangle hair. And you will need 1/4 cup of cetyl alcohol. This gives the bar a smooth and creamy texture. 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons of shea butter. This deeply moisturizes and protects. 3/4 tablespoon of cocoa butter. This adds extra hydration and nourishes. 3/4 tablespoon of argan oil. This leaves hair soft and shiny. 40 drops of GeoGuard ECT preservative. This keeps your bar fresh and safe to use. 30 drops of lavender essential oil. This soothes the scalp and adds a calming scent. 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. This helps with scalp health and freshness. You will get 4 Simply Earth round soap molds. You will also get wraps and labels for shaping and storing your bars beautifully. Let's make it! In a double boiler or microwave safe container, melt the conditioning emulsifier. Cetyl alcohol, shea butter, cocoa butter, and argan oil together. If using a microwave, heat in short intervals, stir occasionally until fully melted, around 160 Fahrenheit. Remove from the heat and let it cool slightly, around 135 Fahrenheit, before adding the essential oils and preservative. Mix well. Pour the mixture into the molds and let them cool completely. Once solidified, pop them out of the molds, wrap them up, and label them. Pro tips: want a different scent? Swap out lavender and tea tree for 30 drops of rosemary and 20 drops of peppermint to match our DIY shampoo bar kit. This conditioner bar doubles as a moisturizing body bar and even works for shaving. Add a touch of color with mica powder during step 2 for a fun customized look. How to use: wet your hair, rub the bar between your hands to create a creamy lather. Massage into your scalp and hair, rinse thoroughly and store in a soap dish with drainage to keep it dry between uses. Wow, my hair feels so soft and nourished. This is a total game changer. You can make these lavender and tea tree bars too. It's fun, easy, and your hair will thank you. When you make this recipe, take a picture, share it with #IMadeThis, and tag from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our pages. Want to make this at home? Grab the Simply Earth DIY Conditioner Bars Kit today. If you enjoyed this, check out more natural DIY recipes in the videos coming up next.